Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadirin bakal job yaki election MLA Shiteng Smai na Ampatigiri Constituency yaka Miani di Shira henin kasngi ke santre ujelio lapen Smai kum ekonomi mat bapura syaki yeng dorbar thawan ke jela dau lampang ke yeng dorbar u Dr. Don Kuparoy. La sakhi langi kini ke jingpen Smai yaka Miani di Shira dau sembot lampang ke yeng dorbar thawan u Timothy di Shira. Nang tahu nong yalam kaliang persya jong kayang terbar thawan ke jela u Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ke dikanci di Shira ki balong ro kimi kipa jong Miani di Shira bat kiwe de ki MLA jong kesang kongres. Miani di Shira kala job ya election Shiteng Smai na Ampatigiri Constituency persya yu kertong jong kesang National People's Party u Clement G. Momin dalai hajar sispa kandai puwe vote hak election ke balalong hak aru pratrek u bena jemang balala.
I, Miani di Shira, having been elected a member of the legislature, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks. There are a lot of things to be done, so I have stepped in at a time when it's so crucial for the party, for the people of Ampati, and also for the state. So let's see what I can do. And there are a lot of things which my father has done for Ampati, but he started off when there was nothing in the constituencies. So he has been able to create a lot of infrastructure, a lot of development, but there's still a lot to be done. So there are a lot of things which I have seen, identified. So let's see how I can do my work. My main priority as of now is because I'm a junior. My main priority is my constituency, my people. So and for human resource development, I said this before. Now also in Ampati for human resource building of human development. So, try to work on that. So let's see how I can do things.